Precious of the Plush Academy, and today we are in your inbox again because we have special deal number 2. What are we giving away today, Kayla?
The weave tutorial for only $67.
That's right. So if you are interested, or maybe you have emailed me or texted me or DM'd me in the past about this weave tutorial that everyone is raving about, guess what? You get to grab it today for only $67. So you'll automatically save 30 bucks. And it is yours. It's a forever file. Once you purchase, you'll gain immediate access, and you'll always have it. If you ever want to go back and refer to something that you may have forgotten or anything like that. So that is today's deal. I hope some of you guys go and grab it, and I hope you get this email in time, because if you don't get it today, guess what? The price goes back up. So when should they come back, Kayla?
Tomorrow for day 3.
So come back tomorrow for day 3 to see what we have in store for you guys for tomorrow, and see what else you can snag while it's an amazing price, right? See you guys tomorrow.